So I had a problem with my '09 Silverado with the oil dipstick, and you might end up running across the same problem too. Let me show you. So my oil dipstick broke. It just somehow broke in half. I'm not sure what happened there. But I went on Amazon and I ordered another one. This one. And this was a Dorman product. That was the part number. You can see it. Okay, it won't focus. Anyway, part number was 917. There it goes. 917433. So this was the dipstick that came up for my '09 Silverado. And I looked on I got it off of Amazon. So when I went to match it up, I kept noticing that they were not matching. It just, something was just not right about it. Even with the broken, just with the broken part, the brackets don't even match up. So I looked at Advance, I looked at O'Reilly, I looked at AutoZone, I looked at Rock Auto, Napa, everything. And they all came up with this dipstick. But the damn thing didn't fit. So by now, I'm like, I don't understand. I'm going to have to get some kind of fucking wizard to figure this shit out. Because for the life of me, couldn't figure out why the goddamn dipstick wouldn't fit. And I made sure the information was right. Long story short, I found the right one. 917-303. And this dipstick goes on a 2003 Silverado, not a 2009. And I have a 4.8 in this truck converted to a 383, but it's the same fucking dipstick. So if your dipstick breaks in your '09 Silverado or maybe 2010 and you can't seem to find it, order one for a 2003 Silverado or a 2004 or 5 or 6, the classic. That's how you'll find the damn dipstick. I want to save someone the trouble because this was an ongoing process I have been dealing with for months. I did extensive research, damn near about to call GM to ask them. Every one I looked at for a '09 5.3 come up with this. I look it up for a '03 4.8, boom, the damn thing fits. Who would have ever guessed? I hope I saved someone the trouble, because if you can't find yours, that's why. This thing ran me about $30. Of course, I had a coupon. I got it cheaper than that. But yeah, if you can't find the right dipstick for your truck, look at a few years older. That's probably where it's at. And by the way, I am well aware it's called a dipstick tube. I don't want anyone to correct me. So, dipstick tube, dipstick, same thing. Not the same thing. But yes, I know it's called a dipstick tube.